guys, welcome to DIY Express, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a water gun. If you have some left out party poppers, so you could use this part as the top while your blaster. So you basically just press this and the water comes out. Yeah, but what will save the water from coming from here? Yeah, exactly. A lid. This is the lid you could use. You could use a lid of a Coke bottle and put it right over here. Bye, people. I'm done with my DIY. Now it's time to make your own water gun. And plus you could get 2 colors, and then you could choose every time if you want a different color or not. Bye.